If you've ever tried contacting Facebook support, you already know it feels almost impossible. But today, I'm going to show you two real, 100% working methods to chat with an actual human from Facebook's support team. No tricks, no complicated steps, just the real way people are getting live help right now. So stick with me till the end because both methods work differently and one of them might be your lifesaver. Let's jump right into method one using Meta Business Suite. First, open Facebook and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From here, select any page you manage. It doesn't matter which one, as long as you have page access. Once you're inside the page dashboard, look at the left sidebar and scroll until you see Meta Business Suite. Click it and it'll open in a new tab. Inside Meta Business Suite, find the help option on the left side. Now here's a key detail. Click the help button twice. When you do that, a help window will appear on the right side of your screen. Scroll all the way down until you find contact support. Click it, and within a few seconds, a live chat box will pop up. This chat connects you directly with a real Facebook support agent. You can ask about account restrictions, ad issues, page problems, anything. It's fast, it's direct, and yes, it actually works. Now let's move on to method two, Meta Support via Messenger. Open your Facebook Messenger app or the Messenger website. In the search bar at the top, type Meta Support. You'll see options like Meta Business Support or sometimes Meta Pay Support, depending on your issue. Tap or click the right one for your case. Send them a message, even something simple like, "Hi, I need help." Their support bot will reply instantly and then guide you to a live agent. From here, you can ask questions, report issues, unlock features, or get guidance for ads or payment problems. This method is super useful if you prefer mobile or don't manage a Facebook page. And that's it. Two rock solid ways to talk to a real Facebook support agent without endlessly scrolling through help articles or waiting for email replies. If this helped you, let me know in the comments what issue you were able to solve. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more quick guides that actually work. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Facebook issue.